Hi guys, good morning from New York City. Oh, my pimple patch is coming off there. So today is kind of my reset day. It's a Saturday, and in New York City everything is really busy all the time, but especially on a Saturday. So I made the decision that I would rather use Saturday as like a reset day. Oh, my pimple patch. And then use Sunday as my day to go out if I want to, just because that's what makes more sense to me. But the apartment is a complete mess, so we have to go on ahead and take care of that all today. And yeah, so let me kind of run you guys the game plan. So first off, the living room is a complete mess right now, so we have to clean that up. I've just kind of got water bottles everywhere and some clean laundry that needs to be folded. So we will take care of that. Then in the dining room, if you guys watch my video where I did my updated makeup routine, you would see that I kind of left a mess before I went out yesterday, and then I was super tired when I came back home because, as I mentioned, I ended up walking more of Central Park than I thought I was going to, and my feet just hurt. So I kind of sat down for the rest of the day and didn't really take care of that, so I have to get that sorted. I also have some sheets that need to be folded that are on the dining room table for whatever reason. And then we have the kitchen, so I have to take the clean dishes out of the dishwasher and load up the dishwasher. And I have to replace the trash because yesterday when I took out the trash, I did not replace the trash bag. Oh, and I also have to clean the floors, vacuum the carpet that's in the living room, and try and get a Swiffer together to clean the kitchen floor. I'm gonna try and get through as much of this as I can today. On top of that, we also have some personal reset things we have to take care of. I have to do some work on my computer, and I have to order groceries, so we will be doing all of that today, on top of just running the laundry all day, because this dryer takes forever to dry things. So in order to get a normal load of laundry, you kind of have to be running it all day. Show you guys real quick what is motivating me to get my work done today, and that is listening to The Summer I Turned Pretty on Audible. I'm nowhere near sponsored by anybody by any means, but I loved The Summer I Turned Pretty books. I love The Summer I Turned Pretty series, and they re-recorded the audiobooks with the actors from the TV series on Prime Video, so I've just been kind of listening to that, and I just signed up for some sort of like 3-month deal on Audible, so that way I could listen to all of the versions, or so that way I could listen to the trilogy for free. not sure how much of that I was able to capture, but I pretty much did like at least 80 to 90% of the stuff that I need to get done, and the other like 10% or whatever was stuff that I can't do right now. So that being said, I'm gonna have breakfast because it's noon, and because after I was done cleaning I kind of took a little bit of a break, and now it's noon and I haven't had anything, so we're gonna make breakfast. Breakfast for me kind of changes depending on the day. Today I'm feeling like scrambled eggs on a tortilla, so I think that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna heat up the pan. Hopefully that's a good angle, but I don't have any like olive oil in the house right now. So I've just been using butter, and it's been interesting because I don't normally cook with butter, but I need to order olive oil. So we'll do that, but for today we will continue to cook with the butter. And I'm just gonna go in with 1 or 2 eggs, not sure exactly, but I think we're gonna do 2. I am not even gonna lie to you guys, I did not end up liking this breakfast. I don't know what it was, but I tried to eat it and I think I got maybe like half the way through it before I was like, okay, I need to throw this away and like crack out the snacks, because I am not gonna eat anything if I don't eat anything right now. So yeah, really unfortunate. I went through all the trouble making this and I barely even had like a bite or 2. I mean, that's not true, I ate half of it, but you get the point. Now I'm gonna poorly decide to stick these in the microwave, and then we're gonna go eat. Hi guys, it's the next day and we had some issues with the grocery delivery, so that's why I'm having to film this tomorrow, but I did want to do a little haul for you guys. Basically, something happened with my order and they had to refill it, and some of the things that I ordered were not there, so that kind of sucked, but it is what it is. So I'm just going to show you what I did end up getting. So first things first, we have some orecchiette pasta, and then also, by the way, they pack this in kind of no specific order, so I'm not sure, I'm just pulling it out and showing you what I got as I get it. I got a pack of lemon, I didn't know it was family size, oh well, of lemon Oreos. I had to refill a lot of cooking stuff, so you'll see a lot of different like oils and stuff like that. I don't know how to explain it, but I have coconut oil, some canola oil, some peanut oil, extra virgin olive oil, some pudding. We have some coconut oil, this is just plain coconut oil. This is another really random thing. We have corn syrup, broccoli. This is my favorite butter. This is the Kerrygold salted, I believe. Or is it unsalted? I think this is the salted one. Yes, it is awesome. We love. Then we have some snap cheese, some shrimp. I'm not a big seafood girl, but I do enjoy some shrimp, so I thought I could make kind of a little bit of a scampi one night. Oat milk, gotta have oat milk. I am actually running low on the one I already have, so I just bought another one. We have some feta, and we have some of my absolute favorite yogurt. This is the Oui dairy-free coconut-based yogurt. So good. Rice. We ran out of ginger. I bought these because once again, in the theme of living like a kid again, gotta have some fun lunches. A lemon for the scampi. Cucumbers, because I love these. A thing of grapes that I did not realize would be this big, so I'll probably have to freeze some of these. Oh my goodness, this is literally huge. Literally looks like a Costco size thing of grapes. Cheesecake Factory bread, because I love Cheesecake Factory bread. Love it. I was running out of cereal, so some Apple Jacks, soy sauce. Here's marinade, because what I plan to do is to cook some chicken I have in this and cook the broccoli and the white rice and have that for dinner. Mustard, sesame oil, Worcestershire sauce, our linguine for our scampi, and finally 2 sprays. We have olive oil, and baking. So that is everything. Okay, now it's time to put all of this away. So, there's not very much storage. This is an apartment in New York City, so sometimes I'll leave this stuff on the counter, but we'll see what I can fit. So, yeah. I also ordered in breakfast this morning because I didn't have any groceries. So it was actually kind of funny because they both came at the same time. And the delivery guys were just like... So I just thought that was funny, but I bought some toast, some French toast, I think part of my order is missing. Hold on. No? So part of my order is missing, but that's fine. I got French toast, eggs, bacon, and a side of hash browns.